your substitute teacher. Pop quiz. Can someone tell me, where is Burma? Anyone?
It's a country between India and China, the size of Texas, with a population of 55 million people.
And who is Tan Shui? You.
He's a dictator of Burma. He spreads fear through forced labor, torture, and systematic rape. Last fall, he brutalized Buddhist monks and other peaceful supporters for pro-democracy.
Good. What is 8888? How about you?
This is the day that 3,000 peaceful protesters were killed by the Burmese military, and thousands more were thrown in prison for protesting against their authoritarian rule.
Very good. And the last question, class. This is a big one. And what about you? What is the United Nations Security Council doing to help in Burma?
They're doing nothing.
Very good.